I wanted to introduce to you the new Poseidon Hot. This is our top of the range professional carpet cleaning setup. It comes with a 5-meter hose. It also comes with a fully stainless steel upholstery tool. So this whole machine is built for a professional user. One of the main benefits of the Poseidon Hot, apart from its bigger volume, because you actually get a 60-litre waste tank, and you're on the back of the unit you also get a 30-litre fresh water tank. This of course is a hot water machine, so it's got an 1800 watt boiler inside the unit, and that'll push out 8 bar pressure as well through the pump. Now the big benefit is that this unit will take the temperature right up and hold it at 90 degrees C. So your detergent is going to work really well. You've got stainless steel tools with a bit of weight in them, so that when you draw it across the carpet with the temperature, with the chemical, with the suction, it's going to clean really well. Talking about the suction, this particular head has 3 1200 watt motors. That's one of the biggest on the market on a professional carpet cleaning machine. So it's really going to leave the carpet very, very dry. On the unit itself, I'll spin it around and show you. You've got 3 switches and they're independently switched. So you can have 1 motor on, 2 motors or 3 motors. But with that ultimate vacuum power, that will allow you to dry the carpet really, really well. So I'll just show you the component parts of the Poseidon. 2 clips on the side that hold the head on. And the head itself has got the 3 motors in here. Underneath you've got a cage, and you've got a big blue sponge filter on here to stop any debris going up into the motors. But you've also got a float valve, which you can hear moving up and down there. The tank itself as well, it's a 60-litre tank, and you can remove that as well using that clip on the side. And for draining off all of dirt and dirty water that ends up in the 60-litre tank, you've also got a drain hose on here as well, so you can take that off and just drop it into the drain when you want to empty the tank as well. So with the machine as standard, you obviously get the machine, you get the 5-meter hose, and you also get the upholstery tool. Now this upholstery tool, I'll just bring it into shot here. It's very, very heavy duty. It's all stainless steel. You've got a nice brass mechanism on there as well. You can see the big brass nozzle underneath for spraying the detergent out. And on the end of the inlet here, you've got a heavy-duty brass male connector that connects onto the vacuum hose as well. Now, as an option, you also can get and buy the big carpet wand. Most people tend to get this as well, unless you're just using it as a big professional valeting machine. Again, this is all stainless steel. It's actually got twin nozzles on it, so that's going to give you a nice wide spray, but it's going to concentrate the spray with those 2 big brass nozzles. The head, again all stainless steel, is 12 inches, 30 centimetres across, but these are all one piece, very heavy duty. There is a little bit of weight to them which you want, because when you're drawing it towards you, that weight will pick up the pile in the carpet as well. Obviously built for a hot water machine. So one other point about the Hot Poseidon is that there's 2 cables, so you need to plug it into 2 13-amp sockets. One of them will power the 3 vacuum motors, but it's an 1800 watt motor for the heater, so that comes on a separate cable. So basically you just need to plug it into a standard double socket. They're both 13 amp, but it'll run on a standard household fine. So to connect the vacuum hose, you simply just push it in the female inlet on the front of the machine, and it just snaps into place. The Detergent hose. Incidentally, this is it's a special heat resistant hose which will take the 90-degree heat. That snaps into the quick release connector on the front, and that just pushes in and locks into place. So I've connected up the Poseidon Hot. I've filled the water tank about halfway, and I'm just going to put some detergent in. Probably be plenty. Now, it's a big tank on this, so only put a little bit of chemical in there. But this particular floor, the carpet, it was dirty, but not that dirty. So what we've done is I've basically rubbed a load of mud into the carpet. We've trampled it in, so it's hard in. But I've got the stainless steel floor wand attached, so there's a nice bit of weight to this as well, so it just makes the job so easy. It really is, you know, it is one of the most powerful high performance carpet cleaners on the market, but let's see it in action. So I've just done this small area with the Poseidon, and you know, when you feel the carpet, bearing in mind this really does throw down, you know, some detergents at high pressure, because you've got those three 1200 watt motors. It's dry, it's just damp to the touch, but you know, within a couple of hours that should be bone dry again. Obviously we've got quite a range of carpet cleaners in our range, a number of machines there. The Poseidon Hot is by far the best. It's the most pricey, but we have facilities on our website, finance facilities as well, so you can pay, you know, over certain various months as well. So don't let the price put you off. You know, the Poseidon Hot, it's the best. It's going to give you the best performance and earn you the most money. So I've now attached on the stainless steel upholstery tool. And I've got this mat, that's a front door mat, so again it's got in-ground dirt, so you could use this tool on stairs or mats, or if you're doing professional car valeting, you know, you want the best machine to do your car valeting, then you know the Hot Poseidon. Obviously on this one you can set the temperature anything up to 90 degrees C. I've got it set on 90 now, and it's going to clean this up really well. Let's have a try. So lastly, I just wanted to say to you that, you know, we've got three motors here, three 1200 watt motors. This is by far the most powerful carpet cleaner machine that we do at Kayam. It's just so easy to use, you know, so if you're getting on a bit and you're an old fella like me, then the heaviest thing you're going to pick up all day is probably, you know, the upholstery tool or the floor wand. There's no scrubbing or agitating to do as such. Like in some of the smaller machines where you need to agitate it with the weight of the floor tool. It's just so easy. It really does make light work of carpet cleaning.